Hi, I'm Lou, and today we're going to install this electric windshield wiper on my Polaris RZR. Here's what we're using, and I'll put a link in the video description. If you don't already have one, you'll need to drill a hole in your windshield. Fortunately, in my case, I already have a manual wiper, so we'll use that hole. So we unscrew the handle and pull it out, unscrew this, and pull out our old wiper. And our motor goes here. On the outside, we have a rubber washer, this metal cover, and tighten it down with a nut. Once it's tight, you put this cover over it. Wiper arm and nut. The wiper is good here, but when it gets up here, it's too tall, so we're gonna have to shorten this bar. To get our blade to fit in the windshield, we'll have to take out about 3 inches. We'll drill out that rivet from the other side and slide this down. These 2 wings are wrapped pretty tightly around that ride, so I'm prying them open with a knife and a hammer. A little wider with a screwdriver, and this comes out. Now we'll cut it down. Now we'll put that bend in the new end. Drill matching holes. Back in. You can use a small screw if you don't have a rivet. Bend the wings back down with a hammer. Perfect fit. We don't have this connector, so we'll cut it off. Got it temporarily wired to the battery so we can check our wiper angles. So it goes all the way down here, which is perfect for parking, but it doesn't really get over here, so we're gonna have to scoot this whole thing over. While we have it out, we're gonna move the wire around to the back. Couldn't resist a quick look inside, and that's how they work. I think this will look better all black. Cover the old hole with electrical tape. Drill our new hole. This plate gives stability, but I don't think I'll need it because this is going to be laying on the dash, so I'll just take it off. I think we've got it. The wiper motor looks a lot better in black. We've got a great parking space here, and the wiper comes all the way up to here. I'm not going to show the electrical wiring in this project because my RZR has so many added features and would be different than yours anyway, but you want to hook to the same wires that go to the back of this electrical port. There's a red and black wire to that. That'll hook to the red and black wire on your wiper motor. I found the best route for the cable is back along here and down through that hole. Here it is all done, and we'll test with some Windex. Works pretty well. I've got a link to my other videos over there, including full doors, blinkers, a seat slider, and a heater. Thanks for watching.